Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you 8 Figma plugins that save me a lot of time. So let's get started. The first one is called Remove Background. So we don't need to go to the site to remove background to remove a background. We can directly use the plugin into Figma. We can use it on an image. So we select this and then we go to the menu and search for remove background. So the first thing you have to do when you install this plugin is set the API key that you can find when you sign up on remove background and then to setting. Then we just need to run this on the rectangle, and in matter of seconds we will get the background removed. So I'm going to hide the gray color, and here we have our background removed in seconds inside Figma. Very useful. Another use case that I have with remove background is, for example, for the logo. When I search an icon from Google, for example, sometimes I find the icon without background, but other time I can't find it. I need to use a one with background. So I just have to copy this one, import inside Figma and remove, instead of continuing researching the icon without background. The next one is called Create Mockup. With this one, we can create easily 3D mockup of our mobile design to use in our thumbnail, for example. So we go to menu and then we choose Create Mockup. But we have the iPhone selected, so we go to Create Mockup 3D. And here we have this panel that allows us to rotate, so we can get the angle that we want, or we can choose a predefined angle. So we select this and then we can create a frame with this image. And then this iPhone, we can, as I said before, we can insert it into a thumbnail for YouTube, for Dribble, Behance, or to upload to the Play Store, wherever you want. And now this one saves you a lot of time when you need fake data and you need a lot of different data. How to get that? I create this, so I'll select the text that we want to change to show you this plugin. So I select all of them, then we go to the menu and select Content Reel. Content Reel get a super cool update that is this one, that you not only have those predefined, but you can also go to content library. That is a place where everyone can upload their own data. So here you can search for whatever data you want, for example, article title. So here you can find data uploaded by people. We just select one and apply to all. And here we have our data filled in matter of seconds. To really help you save a lot of time, you need different data types. So I go to images, avatar, apply all. So you have a category in text, image, and icons. Very helpful. I know that you can make it easily, so you can make it in seconds, but this plugin really helps you to become more productive. Is to create shadows. So we select, for example, those two, and we use this plugin that is called Shadow Picker. Yes, you can manually create them easily from effect, but here you just need to select the size, and here you can check the shadow preview, and if you like it, just hit to apply, and here you have the shadow applied. It's easy. And if you want to inherit the color, you can do that. So we can go to shadow pick again, and this time we apply with inherit color. So the shadow, as you can see, is green. So it's very easy. Okay, now this plugin play an important role when we need to create a new project. For example, we have this screen that we have nothing and we need to create from here some UI design for our client, for ourselves. So we can start with this plugin in this case. It's called Wifi. With Wifi, you can click and use all those pre-made components for the web, mobile, tablet, and kits to put down your ideas. So for example, we go to mobile, we can choose a menu that we want, for example this one, and then we come back to login, sign up, we continue adding screens so we have our idea clear of what we want to create. And this plugin saves you a lot of time if you need text from an image. We need text sometimes when, for example, we go to travel and we need the text that is on this image. Maybe we are creating this to practice our UI skills. So what we need to do here is to screen capture the text. Then we come back to our Figma and paste it. Now with this image selected, we go to the menu and select text from image. Here we have our text. So easy. Another use case is that you want a quote that you find very interesting, for example from Pinterest, but they are inside a image. What you can do is the same thing. Just make a screenshot, import them into Figma, and then run this plugin. And actually creating neumorphism effect is more easier than you think. You don't need to add a white shadow from one side, black shadow from the other side, and all the shadow to create this effect. There is a plugin that helps you to do that. So we just need to create a frame, maybe with rounded radius, and then change the color that match the background. And then we go to menu and use this plugin that is called neumorphism. So let's select something. I select this. Now choose your shape type, for example this one, and we can change the elevation and the intensity and the side of the light. So we can choose this side, and here you have your neumorphism effect created with all the shadow apply in no time. And if you need to create some text, for example you need to create creative for ads, so you need to create also banner, sometimes you need to write down some text. Here this plugin become useful for you because you can use the Hemingway inside Figma. For example, by selecting this text and running the plugin, I can know that here we have a passive word that it's strongly recommended to substitute to an active voice, and then there is also a really hard to read phrases. And this is all. Hope you enjoyed this video and found some plugin useful for your workflow, and see you in the next one. Bye.